Guys, I need to show you something real quick.
These ads generated millions of dollars in sales. What's even crazier is that they weren't filmed by expensive creators or production teams. Every single one was made with AI. But here's the interesting part. Most people think AI advertising is just typing a prompt and hoping for the best. The AI makes something random, you don't like it, and you start over again. That's actually the old way of doing it. Meanwhile, brands are paying creators hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for a single UGC video and waiting days for delivery. AI changes that completely. Instead of relying on random generations or waiting for creators, you can start with one simple product idea and let an AI agent help plan, direct, and build an entire ad campaign for you. That's why more brands are quietly switching to AI UGC. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's much easier to scale. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these AI UGC TikTok ads step by step using Loova Agents, and you'll see how a simple product idea turns into a finished commercial quality ad. And honestly, what makes it different from most AI tools is that it doesn't just generate videos. It acts more like a creative assistant that helps plan, direct, and produce the entire ad for you. If you want to follow along, you can find the link in the description below. Once you're inside, you'll notice that Luva gives you access to many of the most popular AI image and video models in one place. For this project, we're going to use Agent Mode. The reason I like Agent Mode is simple. Instead of spending time writing complicated prompts and managing different tools, you just describe your idea and let the AI handle the production process. So first, I'll upload my product images. In this example, I'm adding multiple clothing images along with a luxury watch. Then I'll give the agent a simple idea for the ad. Create a 30-second UGC-style ad video using the uploaded clothing and luxury watch images. Feature a realistic male creator naturally wearing, showcasing, and recommending the outfit and watch. Once that's ready, I'll click Create. Now here's where things get interesting. The AI doesn't immediately start making the video. First, it plans the entire project. It thinks through the creative direction and figures out how the ad should work before generating anything. Then it creates our main creator. For this, the agent uses GPT Image 2, which does a really good job at producing realistic human characters. After that, it starts planning the commercial itself. You can actually see the AI breaking everything down scene by scene and shot by shot, while also thinking about the product's selling points and how to make the ad more engaging. Rather than simply generating content, it's building a creative direction and a storyboard for the ad. You can also see everything organized visually on the infinite canvas, making it easy to follow the entire workflow instead of jumping between separate tools. Once the plan is finished, it starts generating the keyframe images. And honestly, these look surprisingly realistic. After that, the agent asks which video model you'd like to use. For this project, I'm choosing Seedance 2.0 because it gives really high quality results for this type of content. The AI then turns those keyframes into animated video clips. But it doesn't stop there. It also creates background music that matches the style of the ad. And finally, it combines everything together and renders the finished video.
This is the kind of gym tee I can actually wear all day. It fits clean without looking like I just left a workout. Then I add the watch and the whole fit feels sharper. It keeps the gym look clean, not try hard. For me, this is an easy gym to street combo.
What's impressive here is how little work we actually had to do. We uploaded our product, we explained our idea, we picked the model we wanted, and the AI handled everything else. From planning to images to video generation and music, everything stays inside one connected workflow. But I wanted to see how flexible this system really was. One of the big advantages of Loova Agents is that you're not locked into a single creative direction. The same product idea can evolve into completely different types of ads depending on what you want to achieve. So I tried a second project. This time I uploaded a product image along with a photo of my own creator. Then I gave the agent a more detailed prompt explaining exactly how I wanted the video to look. Just like before, the AI started by planning the entire project. It created a detailed production plan, generated keyframe images using GPT Image 2, created the video using Seedance 2.0, generated matching background music, and finally rendered the complete ad. Here's how the final result looks.
First impression, this pink color is so pretty. It feels soft inside and it's shockingly lightweight. They feel easy to walk in and I genuinely wear these all day. If you want a soft, lightweight...
Honestly, the quality is really impressive. But here's one feature I think a lot of people will appreciate. You're not locked into the first version. If you want to change something, regenerate a scene, or edit part of the ad, you can simply tell the agent what you want. For example, I asked it to change the background music. The AI asked what style I wanted. I told it to create something soft and lifestyle focused. You could also tell it things like, make this feel more premium, turn this into a TikTok style ad, or adjust the overall mood of the campaign, and the workflow naturally adapts to your feedback. Within minutes, it generated a new soundtrack and updated the final video while keeping all of the visuals exactly the same. Here's what that version looks like.
First impression, pink color is so pretty. It feels soft inside and it's shockingly lightweight. They feel easy to walk in, and I genuinely wear these all day. If you want a soft, lightweight pink sneaker, I definitely recommend these.
And that's one of the biggest advantages of using an AI agent. Instead of rebuilding the entire project from scratch, you can make targeted changes in just a few clicks. Overall, it's pretty amazing that the whole process can take less than 3 minutes while producing content that's ready for TikTok ads and other social platforms. And Agent Mode is only one part of Loova AI. The platform also gives you access to many of the latest AI models for creating different kinds of image and video content. So whether you're creating product ads, social media content, cinematic films, or experimenting with different marketing ideas, you can do it all from one platform. They also have a paid plan that currently includes 365 unlimited and free generations for Seedance 2.0, along with Nano Banana 2 and Pro at a discounted price. If you want to try it yourself, you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.